Together with the regional director and OIC Sports Division Secretary, Dr. Roy S. Mongali, Assistant School Division Secretary, Dr. Luis P. De La Cruz, SOG Dr. Joel S. Skinner, CAG Dr. Paulino D. Depado, Division Sports Officer Mandala Alihon, together with the 484 strong elementary and secondary athletes, 170 coaches, 120 officiating officials. Their proud statement is more than just words. It is a declaration of identity, a reflection of values, and a celebration of the influence and advice of winners and educators and leaders of NCO Tarrant Province. Together, this national proudly proclaims in NCO Tarrant Province, we raise a generation of Malacanyo, Mananasa Asa, Mahusay, Sagawa. Ladies and gentlemen, the host province, the schools division of Tarlac Province.